The silent thief, global inflation's unseen impact. Did you know that in many countries, your savings lost 5 to 10% of their buying power this year, just by sitting there? No market crash. No withdrawal. No warning. This is inflation. The silent thief that erodes wealth quietly, relentlessly, and globally. So why now, and why everywhere at once? We're seeing a rare convergence of forces. Post-pandemic stimulus injected massive liquidity into the global system. Supply chains are being rebuilt at higher costs. And geopolitical tensions are driving up energy, food, and transportation prices. This isn't a local problem. It's a global inflation cycle, and no economy is completely insulated. You feel inflation long before you see it in headlines. Your grocery bill is higher. Housing costs take a bigger share of your income. And long-term plans, like retirement, quietly shrink in real value. Inflation doesn't ask permission. It simply reprices your life. Some regions are feeling the pressure more intensely than others. Countries like Turkey and Argentina are grappling with persistent high inflation and currency devaluation. Parts of the European Union have faced inflation amplified by energy shocks. When inflation rises, currencies often weaken, and that directly affects cross-border investments, savings, and future plans. Not all assets suffer equally. Fixed income investments, long-term bonds, and low-margin consumer sectors are especially vulnerable. When returns are fixed but prices keep rising, real value disappears. Understanding where you're exposed is the first step to protecting capital. So how do you defend? Historically, real assets have played a key role. Select real estate, commodities like gold and silver, and inflation-linked securities. Companies with strong cash flow and pricing power, especially dividend-paying businesses, can also hold up better during inflationary periods. And above all, diversification matters. Across asset classes, across currencies, across geographies. But inflation isn't just about defense. Some emerging markets offer selective growth opportunities. Innovative technologies that improve efficiency and cut costs can thrive under inflationary pressure. And alternative investments may offer diversification when approached carefully and strategically. Inflation changes the rules, but it doesn't eliminate opportunity. Reassess your goals. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Rely on credible data and experienced global advisors. Because inflation rewards preparation and punishes delay. The silent thief is already at work. The question is, are you ready to stay ahead of it? If you wish to discuss with a member of the Elysium Wealth team, please send them an email.